Almost all of us actively consume small but delicious dates. But how many dates should we eat per day? How can we maximize their health benefits? And have you ever wondered under what conditions we should avoid dates? In today's video, we will look at the basic information and nutritional values of dates. We will also discuss the potential benefits of dates and the potential harms when consumed with certain health issues. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get started. General information about dates. Dates are the fruit of a type of tree belonging to the Diospyros genus, which grows in tropical regions and contains a seed inside. They are particularly cultivated in Mediterranean climates. Various types of dates originate from Asia. The date tree typically reaches a height of 4 to 6 meters and has broad, glossy leaves. The fruit is orange-red and usually round or oval. Dates have a sweet and soft interior and are rich in vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants, and various minerals. They thrive in Mediterranean climates with slightly acidic and well-drained soils. The harvest season generally falls in autumn. Dates are beneficial for health as they strengthen the immune system, support digestion, and contain antioxidants. They can be consumed fresh or used in dried form in desserts, jams, and marmalades, where dried dates have a more intense flavor. Fresh dates should be stored in a cool, dark place, while dried dates should be kept in airtight containers. Nutritional value of dates. The nutritional value of dates and their effects on health are quite significant. Dates contain approximately 277 calories per 100 grams and a substantial amount of sugar. They also include substances that help normalize gut flora, soluble and insoluble fibers, and a variety of beneficial compounds. Dates are a crucial energy source, thanks to their natural sugars, making them a quick energy boost and enhancing mental activity. They are ideal for athletes and those engaged in physical activities. Dates contain the amino acid tryptophan, magnesium, potassium, selenium, and fluoride, which improve brain function, support cardiovascular health, and may reduce cancer risk. Health benefits of dates. 1. Brain health. Dates are notable for their numerous benefits to brain health. Scientists have found that date extracts offer neuroprotective effects on brain cells. These effects can improve overall brain health by reducing cell death. Dates contain powerful antioxidants such as flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids. These antioxidants protect brain cells from oxidative stress by combating free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Rich in natural sugars, dates provide a quick and sustained energy source for the brain. Given the brain's high energy demands, consuming dates can support brain function. Additionally, dates contain B vitamins like B6, which is essential for the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. These neurotransmitters regulate mood and optimize brain functions. Dates are also rich in minerals like potassium and magnesium. Potassium regulates neural communication, while magnesium supports the transmission of nerve signals, contributing to brain health. 2. Cardiovascular health. Dates are a nutritious fruit that offers significant benefits for cardiovascular health. Their high potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension. Being rich in fiber, dates support digestion and help control cholesterol levels, positively impacting heart health. The antioxidants in dates can reduce cellular damage and help prevent chronic conditions such as heart disease. The natural sugars in dates provide energy and can enhance performance in physical activities. Some studies have shown that dates can lower LDL cholesterol levels, which is crucial for cardiovascular health. Thus, regularly consuming dates as part of a balanced diet can have positive effects on cardiovascular health. 3. Digestive system benefits. The high fiber content in dates helps maintain regular bowel movements, preventing issues such as constipation. Fiber also promotes intestinal movement and improves the digestion process. The natural sugars in dates facilitate digestion while providing energy. Additionally, dates contain compounds that enhance the activity of digestive enzymes, further supporting digestion. Rich in antioxidants and other nutrients, dates are an ideal choice for maintaining digestive health and ensuring the optimal functioning of the digestive system. 4. Skin health. Dates are a nutrient-rich fruit that can provide numerous benefits for skin health. They are high in vitamins, especially vitamin C, minerals such as iron and zinc, and antioxidants, all of which support overall skin health. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, maintaining the skin's elasticity and firmness, and strengthens skin tissue. Antioxidants fight free radicals, reducing cellular damage and delaying early signs of aging. The natural oils in dates moisturize the skin and prevent dryness, contributing to a healthier and more radiant appearance. Date oil or extract, used in skincare products, helps maintain the skin's moisture balance and strengthens the skin barrier. Therefore, regularly consuming dates or using skincare products containing dates can effectively support skin health. 5. Liver health. Dates contain high amounts of fiber, which helps maintain the regular function of the digestive system and aids in the removal of waste from the intestines. This reduces the liver's burden of dealing with toxins. The natural antioxidants in dates protect the liver from free radicals and can reduce damage caused by oxidative stress. Dates can help regulate liver enzymes and support the liver's healthy function. Additionally, minerals like potassium and magnesium found in dates also support liver health. Therefore, regularly consuming dates or incorporating them into the diet can contribute to maintaining a healthy liver and ensuring its optimal function. However, individuals with liver conditions should consult their doctors to adjust their intake accordingly. How should we consume dates? There are a few important points to consider for consuming dates healthily. Fresh dates are natural and nutritious and can be stored in the refrigerator to maintain freshness. Dried dates should be kept in airtight containers. Eating dates on an empty stomach stimulates the digestive system and provides energy. Washing dates before consumption removes protective substances on them. Dates can be used as a healthy snack and can be preferred over sugar in dessert recipes. Additionally, dates can be used in healthy recipes like date smoothies, energy balls, and yogurt. Moderation is important, especially for diabetics and those managing weight. Consuming 2 to 3 dates a day is considered a healthy amount. With these methods, you can make the most of the taste and health benefits of dates. Potential harms of dates. Despite the many health benefits of dates, there are some potential harms. Due to their high natural sugar content, diabetics should limit their date consumption or consume them under medical supervision. Also, because of their high calorie and sugar content, consuming too many dates can lead to weight gain, so those managing their weight should consume them in moderation. In terms of dental health, the high sugar content of dates can cause tooth decay. Brushing teeth or rinsing the mouth after eating dates can reduce this risk. Excessive consumption of dates can cause stomach discomfort, gas, and bloating in some people, so those with sensitive digestive systems should consume them carefully. Consuming too many dates can negatively affect liver and spleen functions. Individuals with issues related to these organs should limit their date consumption. Additionally, overconsumption can lead to side effects like headaches and nausea. Considering these potential harms, consuming dates in a balanced and moderate way is the healthiest approach. If you've watched this far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Have a great day.